Hello guys, welcome to our channel Coding Solutions. In this video we are going to talk about the codes, that is programming data structure and algorithm using Python. We have completed the quiz assignments very well and almost got 100 marks in all the quiz assignments. It's a 8-week course and now it's up to giving the final exam and securing good marks. For that we need to have more questions, more knowledge about the codes. So in this video I will provide you more questions. By that you will gain more knowledge and get very good very in your exams. And you all know Python is a very important subject. So if you gather more knowledge in Python, then it will be very good for you. So what I will do is I will just give you a suggestion for a website that you can visit and get very good questions from there with accurate answer, and from that you can secure very good marks. So let's visit the website. The website is nptelhub.in. I will provide the link in the description and you can visit it and get the assignments with accurate answers. So let's see. Programming data structure and algorithms. 3 sets are there: set A, set B and set C. 3 sets are there, you can see it easily. So 3 sets are there, it costs only ₹60. But if you purchase this course at all, means 1 in 3, you will get full every answers in a one quiz. For that you have to give only ₹150. You are getting a discount. And if you increase the number of users, then you will be getting more discount. But the thing is that if you are purchasing all in one, then it's a discount. But there is another discount in this. If you use our code coding solutions 10, then you will get more 10% discount from your MRP. That's again a very good thing. So for that, to follow our description, I will provide the coupon code there and also the website link. It's a very trustable website. They are doing this for a while. I can suggest you to visit there and purchase this because it will help you to score good marks. The more the questions you know, the more the answers you know, you will get more common questions in your exams. For that, just visit this website and purchase this. And if you have any query regarding this website, you can just ping me on YouTube comments or also on Instagram, Facebook. You can comment, you can ping me anywhere. I will help you always. But this is a good trustable website. You do visit this website. I can give you a guarantee that you will be getting good marks from here. So this is our video. This is just a promotional video, but this is a very good website. Try and visit the website. Links are given in the description. So all the best to all the students who are giving the exam. We will be meeting in some other videos. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.